Hello everybody, welcome to a pre-Christmassy live stream. How you doing, guys? Oh man. What did I do? What did I do? The center man, damn John. By the way, guys, knowing Norway. Yeah, a little bit. By the way, guys, did you get notifications or are there no notifications going on? How did you find the video? The late Captain. Captain is in the house. How you doing, Captain? It is snowing over. You can see that. I know I burned shot. Yeah, all out of spell back in August, etc. But how about now? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Yes, notified. Yeah, okay, notifications are going out. I just clicked on YouTube. Oh, nice. Big up, Morocco. Nice. Naughty gang. I got notifications. Okay, so notifications are going out. Yeah, 26 people. That's fine. That's fine. We can do something with 26 people. It's snowing. No notifications. Okay. Somebody's getting notifications, somebody's not, but you gotta press the, bell button and all to get all of the notifications. Merry Christmas, everybody. How you guys doing? So what are we gonna do today? I'm gonna check out some altcoins. Just check out the sound. Yeah, sounds fine. Sound is fine. Merry Christmas, guys. I left my phone on. Nice. I'm just gonna spam the chat. Joule went, Joule again, 125x. Damn. $125x, man. I took some profits this afternoon. Hope I wasn't too early with that. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't see this, right now. I mean, you can see that we are at the resistance right now, but I don't see us stopping here. And we are at resistance, but I don't see us stopping here right now. There is nothing that's in my book is telling me that we are gonna stop. We are hitting some kind of. It's not like oftentimes you're gonna go up, you're gonna hit some kind of resistance, and you're gonna slowly dump towards the downside. But we are not dumping. We're just kind of standing up here. So as long as we stay above the 20 moving average here for the day, I think we're good. I got a left. At 4 months ago, shilling spell. Wanna know the current sentiment? I don't know what spell is, man. Did I? It's not a Binance. It's on a KuCoin. It's not a KuCoin. It's CoinX. But this 2nd December. This looks like a Corona dump down here. How much did it go? 100%. I'm 120x on BTC. Okay, man. For you see here, You see here, we are right at the resistance right now. I don't know what's your entry point, man. What's your entry point? Let's go to the Binance chart. Where's the Binance chart? This is the Binance chart. Too many lines. We're gonna just click this button down here. Let's draw a very nice line again. One more time. Something like this, yeah, on the dollar up here. What's your Immortal? What's your entry point? Tell me your entry point. What's your entry point, man? 48,875. That's nice, man. 48,875. 48,875. Oh, ooh, that's nice. Yeah, I mean, how can you do this, man? How can you do this? Yeah, there is no divergence up here, so that's good. This is on the 4 hourly, and the momentum is going down, but it's going sideways, so it's okay. Are we gonna just bounce here, or are we gonna step a little bit big down? Because I don't think you can go down that much. What's your liquidation level at? I don't think you can go down that much, but we'll see. We'll see when Jewel is gonna get liquidated. Exiting at the convergence of 59. I mean, if we can break 53, I don't know why we should exit at 59, man. Matic XRP Gala, please. Matic good, XRP good, Gala, haven't checked in a while, so we watch this snow, huh? Yeah, we're gonna remove the snow, by the way, guys. We're not gonna do entire maybe something like this. We're not gonna do entire stream with the snow. We're not gonna do entire stream. Liquidation 48,677. Ooh, that's close, man. That's close. 48,677. That's close. Oh, that's actually 120x is this low. 0.39. I mean 125x. I need to do 112. I mean, this is huge, man. This is huge. That's 0.42%. 120 extra. I mean, that's a lot of room to go down. But I don't know if you can survive this, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not quite sure. But the good thing right now, we already were down with the wick below the 20 moving average. So we don't have any kind of reason to go back down here, except if you want to close below the 20 moving average, right? But let's see down here on 1 hour each time frame. And where is my music, man? There we go. That Vechain trying to break out now. Let's see Vechain. We're gonna come back to Bitcoin. I just want to see breakout of what, man? It's been going like straight up. What is it trying to get breakout of? Oh yeah, it already broke out. Oh yeah, it is technically breaking out, but we might see. I mean, technically it is, but it's not actually breaking out the way I actually thought it should break out. Something is off a little bit up here. Yeah, maybe it's something like this. So it has to go all the way up to... It's going to go up at some 0.93 or something like that before it tries, to break out. I think. Okay, let's check the Jewel. See how it's going. XRP pumping because of the airdrop happening on 24th. What kind of airdrop XRP does have? For December airdrop XRP. Solo airdrop for XRP holders. Solo airdrop. What is solo? I don't know what solo is. Coin cap. Let's check out what solo is, man. Solo is probably some kind of NFT game. I'm betting my Botox it's NFT game. Solo. Sologenic. Wow, minus 23%. Why would you wanna have an airdrop of this, man? It went from something like $5 down to 2.8. Yeah, it is losing value for if this is it. Is this it? Solo tokens, yeah. Yeah, but why do you want to? Yeah, that's why Solo is crashing right now, because they are gonna do airdrop. So you know it's you know. And what happens? What happens when they do airdrop? The same thing that happened with Omisego. Do you guys remember Omisego? OMG. Maybe not the best chart. Look at it. This is the airdrop happened. Look what happened to the chart, man. Look what happened with the chart. It bled down something like crazy levels, man. All the way down to like 75% down. So I don't know. It doesn't look good for Solo, but you know, if free tokens are free tokens, and you know, XRP goes out, so how can you lose? I'll take XRP on 24 and buy back in when the price goes back down, lol. Airdrop on the button for ultimate games. Oh, maybe. Solo is a suite of products currently limited to DEX. I know, I did that, that's why it's pumping. Okay, so it is Solo, so you know, how exciting that is, I don't know. I'm not on that bandwagon right now. So right now we are hitting this, you know, 5x. Joules. Okay, so again I Joule entry 125x, and we got Joule's liquidation down here. So right now we are just barely above that. So you know, we want to help Joule and tell him, you know, guy, hey man, it's gonna be fine, it's gonna be fine. But you know, I'm not quite sure whether it's gonna be fine or not. Down here, this pullback is didn't play. I mean, we had, you know, I was looking at this, you know, move towards the upside, and I was looking at some kind of a move down there. Now we did have that move towards downside, and this looks like some kind of double bottom down here. It is, let's see here, I mean, it's a 1 minute chart and whatever, right? But you know, it looks like it did manage to break this level up here, so it did create some kind of double bottom down here. That's nice. Some kind of double, you know, like over here, double bottom and then bounces towards the upside. So double bottom down here above the level up here. Maybe it's gonna go higher after that. Maybe retesting this level down here at no, it's not retesting Joule's entry point. Sorry, Joule, your entry point is not a support line. Snowflakes indicator. Yeah, snowflakes indicator, guys. Thoughts on Luna. Luna is, you know, sky high. Join the family, guys. TF Fans Club. Has anyone been able to determine the KuCoin support the Flare network so that we can participate in airdrop? Don't know anything about that. Why are all alts in green but BTC and ETH is red today? BTC is in green today. Ethereum is only down by 0.37%. It just consolidated a little bit, I think, before it actually continues towards the upside. Ethereum has this nice move towards the downside up here. You can see here, it is just waiting. I think it's just waiting up here before it, you know, starts, you know, blasting towards the upside. I think Ethereum might even go to all-time high after. If we break this downtrend up line, I think Ethereum might even go to the all-time high up here. This line is very, very important. Same thing goes here for Bitcoin. You can see the line. Everything is right now on the line, so I can help him go short because BTC do always opposite as my trade. Not this time, man, not this time. I think you're gonna be fine. Would you short Luna for short term or avoid that? I would avoid that because there is just so much bullish in Luna. Luna already had a pullback, so it's gonna it might end. It might be some kind of top because it was, you know, going, you know, ballistic up here towards the upside right now, and you know, some kind of pullback towards downside might happen before it does another move towards the upside. You can see this, you know, this shooting star up here or whatever it's called. It's not shooting star, it's what's called doji patterns. It's called gravestone doji. Yeah, the gravestone doji. So this is a gravestone doji that's happening here. It's some kind of top indicator up here. We just look at on the we can see here that, you know, moving averages here are a little bit extended. Let's see on my indicator down here how we are looking at Luna right now. no divergence or anything. It does look good. I think this can actually pump, you know, but we might get some kind of sideways movement and consolidation. You can see that we are at these, you know, high levels. So every time we hit these kind of tops up here, we get some kind of pullback towards downside. And right now we are getting to this this top right over here. So we're getting to the top. We're getting this gravestone doji up here. You see that we are extended from the moving averages. Let's see if we get some kind of other indicators down here that can tell us anything else. It just goes a little bit too fast. We don't have any resistance up here or anything like that, do we? Let's see up here. This got broken, I think. This got broken back down and right now broken again. Yeah, this is the big one, right? This is the big line right now. So if we do get some kind of pullback down here, I think, you know, we might get, you know, some kind of sideways movement or some pullback down here before we actually go towards the upside. But you know, the time to short this was here at the top, or you know, it might be nice, you know, some kind of short-term gains. But you know, right now we're getting, you know, you got 2 hours to the daily close, and after the daily close, you know, if Bitcoin, you know, manages to stay above 20 moving averages, goes up, you know. Who knows, man. Yeah, BTT didn't pump yet, might be candidate for entry. BTT did pump, unfortunately did the same thing as everything else that pumps like crazy. Let's see first the YFI. You can see here YFI also did the same pump back inside the triangle up here. Right now consolidating up here, you know, we don't want to do this up here, but you know, everything is bullish, so this might actually have a chance to go up. Now BTT did this the same thing a little bit prematurely though. It did the same thing a little bit prematurely. Where's BTT? Here is BTT. You can see the BTT also had a big move towards downside, right now going down. So it's having this, you know, some kind of double bottom down here. Maybe it needs to, but you know, it lacks a little bit bullishness. Unfortunately, it lacks a little bit bullishness. I'm not very on the BTT wagon right now, so I'm not quite sure, you know, what to say about that. Finally, a live stream. Hi everybody. Hi Frieda. How you doing? 1984. Buying Luna for 46 bucks. Good luck with that, man. Good luck getting Luna back down there. 3 atom bot at 21.2. I think Block is a good candidate for entry. Block. Yeah, everybody's talking about Block. I'm not quite sure about Plutopia though. Let's see up here. Yeah, it looks like it just you know, slowly right now it's, you know, trying to get this move towards the upside. It's still no bullish growth. It is at some kind of low levels, right? It needs to break up. Yeah, it is breaking out. It is breaking out towards the upside from the bottom down here, 20% up here, something like that. Big resistance is up here at 82 though. Big resistance at 82. You also got a standard moving average right up here. And daily time frame. Yeah. So you see there's a big resistance up here, but you can still go all the way up there without any problems though. There's 20 moving average up here and stuff like that, but that's like 30% to move towards the upside. And I'm not quite sure what to think about Blocktopia, to be honest with you. The big move towards the downside. There is not much we can get out of the daily. Okay, let's see how Joule is doing right now. Let's see up here, 1 hourly. Oh man, Joule is gonna get liquidated, man. 125. What was you thinking, man? What were you thinking? How is VP doing for the first day? If it's first day, it's you know, it's not worth to look at. Luna may drop like Eagle. Yeah, that's the thing. But you know, the difference is there is difference between Eagle dropping and, you know what, we're gonna do this without, you know, some kind of, you know, sad music. Luna, Kitty are getting ready to break out. Yeah, everything is getting ready, guys. Everything is getting ready. Everything is getting good. Everything is, you know, slowly building up to, you know, to breakouts. If you go to the daily time frame, like you can see these big moves happening right over here. Some are getting to some kind of resistances. There's a lot of the thing, guys. After having a big move towards downside, the thing you have to understand, guys, after anything having a big move towards downside, there is gonna be a lot of resistances on the way out. So it can be choppy move, it can be, you know, wild, it can, you know, fake you out. But the thing to know, you know, follow Bitcoin. As long as Bitcoin goes towards the upside, we're good, man, we're good. we good. So let's see when if Joule is gonna get jeweled. So down here, this is 1 hour. 1 hour closing 35 minutes. Let's see 30 minutes up here, down to 20 moving average. I mean, what am I gonna say? I'm gonna say this is a bull flag. It's not a bull flag. I mean, it's not even close to a bull flag. I don't know what kind of pattern it is called. Maybe this is some kind of house pattern. You know, house pattern. Okay, we got a house pattern up here. And, you know, there is a chimney here. So it goes down here and then out of the chimney, right? So that's the plan, guys, right? Not all the way down there. We go just a little bit down here and then out of the chimney, okay? That's the plan, guys. That's the plan. So we got a house pattern, and a house pattern oftentimes gets out of the chimney. A load up at Iota and Gert and Seller during the last drop played out well. All are about 15.25 right now. Yeah, that's nice. He has no clue. Retest, then big drop. Retest of what? A chimney for Santa. Lol, I did another 50 play on copy Copernicus game. I'm up 80%. Nice. Captain knows all the good stuff, man. Yeah, let's search the house. So this, you know, what kind of pattern is this? It doesn't look like some kind of diamond pattern. It does have a nice support line down here, give or take. I mean, this is very, you know, this is very not fine, but you know, I think, you know, this is the previous part, so this actually played out. So right now we are looking at this triangle up here. I think it's triangle, and triangle should be something like this up here, give or take. So let's try to make a nice slice out of the triangle, because you know it is important a little bit, I think, you know, to see if if Joule is gonna get jeweled down here. I think it's, you know, something up here, give or take, not like this one. Maybe something like this, give or take, right? Give or take. This is on 1 hourly, so you know they can be a little bit off sometimes. Maybe something like this. Nah, it looks like it's this one down here. No, it should be something like this up here. No, up here, there. Maybe something like this. Give or take, give or take. I think it's some kind of up here, some kind of triangle in the making right now over here. And we'll see if we actually, yeah. Joule, I cannot promise you that we won't break this this support down here. I cannot promise you that, man. Because I mean, it would be nice if this just went, you know, something like this up here, and then exit up here. That'd be nice. But it can definitely, you know, have a move down below your liquidation point. So. Yeah, guys, subscribe to the new channel. Need 1,000 subs. I don't think BTC will drop similar scenario as in September. So much for St. Nicholas rally. Let's hope it's not head and shoulders. Oh yeah. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Maybe that's the house. Maybe that's the house. Maybe that's the house, guys. Maybe the house is actually, yeah, head and shoulders pattern. Oh, I did not see that, man. What are we looking at then? What kind of levels are we looking at then? Oh, that's gonna be bad levels, man. 47.5. You know, but that was my lowest target. That was what I, you know, in today's video I said we can go between 48.5 and 47.5, right? That was. We said anything down here 47, right? We can go all the way down here and 48.5 up here, right? Yeah, so you know, we went down to these levels on 48.5, but we said we can go all the way down to 47.5 as well, these moving averages down here. So this drop down here can definitely happen, and then, you know, move towards the upside right now, especially hitting this really big resistance up here. Let's see up here. Yeah, so we figure out the house pattern is actually head and shoulders pattern, guys. maybe 1,000 subs is threshold for you. No, it's a threshold for, you gotta have 1,000 subs and 400 4,000 hours of watch time. So 4,000 hours of watch time is a little bit difficult to get, but you know, as soon as you get like 1,000 subs, you know, getting watch time is a little bit easier because, you know, people are actually watching your channel. So, you know, yeah, but it's not that important, you know, but it would be nice to get like 1,000 subs with help, you know. Fantom, please, some hopium, please. What do you need hopium for Fantom, man? Fantom is doing like 10% out towards the upside. Fantom is doing great, man. See the lines, man. See the lines. So Fantom, right now, it's still not out of the dump, right? The big trend line, this big trend line. I mean, this small down part of here, everything is breaking up, you know. But I think it's gotta get above, you know, some kind of, what's that? Some kind of 2 levels up here towards the upside. But right now, you know, it still got, you know, a nice move to, you know, tomorrow that can actually go to some 185 or something like that up here. It looks good. It looks nice. I mean, I don't complain about Fantom ever. I mean, Fantom is such a, you know, beast when it pumps. Fantom is this guy in any way. I'm expecting 15 in a year. Only 15 in a year. Only 15x. Man, that's a, you know, that's bad. House and the chimney, yeah. So yeah, Phantoms look nice. Shiba, let's examine what Shiba is doing, guys. Shiba had a couple of trends down here that broke. The first trend was something like this. We're gonna do something like this, you know, pretty fast. You can see it broken, and right now it's been going to the second trend, and then right now this trend is being broken. So right now it needs to get above this level up here, and it's just below that level. But if you manage to break that level up here, I think it just might continue pumping. So you know, Shiba is doing very nicely right now. It's only 30% up like everything else, but I think it might go all the way up to some kind of 50 moving average up here. If Bitcoin continues, like this is very important resistance, right? Let's go see the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is up here at the 20 moving average. See, it went down to 20 moving average on the weekly, 10 moving average up here. Yeah, this should be give or take, you know, 43 give or take. That's important resistance for Shiba to break. Once it breaks that, you know, it might, you know, look very bullish. Depends on if it can manage there, but you know, it still got some kind of, you know, a little bit, you know, while to go, like 20% up. So you know, it can do another move towards that side. Would you mind having a look at ZIL, please? Is it ready for big pump? BTC permitting, of course. BTC permitting 8% right now. Let's see Zilliqa up here. Zilliqa has a big triangle up here that fell out of the triangle. Right now it's breaking these levels on the downside. Let's remove a little bit lines. We're gonna remove the resistance lines and stuff like that up here, just so we can see the chart a little bit better. And yeah, so this is the line I drew actually on Zilliqa up here. Let's go to the 4-hourly time frame up here and see, maybe you can draw it a little bit better up here. So yeah, it did break this up here very nicely. So it's already broken this very long trend. So Zilliqa can actually move pretty nice right now. It is already going towards the upside. Yeah, Zilliqa looks fine, man. Zilliqa looks fine. Looks dope. It looks like it wants to go towards the upside. So let's figure out some very important levels. You know, next level, at least next level. I mean, not do all levels, but you know, next level. Let's figure out. So we got something at 86 up here on the weekly. So nothing before 86 on the weekly up here. That's when it comes to moving averages. So we're gonna keep that, and then we're gonna go to the daily time frame up here. No, we're still gonna be on the weekly time frame, and you know, we got this one up here. What more do we have? We got some of these up here at around 70 and stuff like that, but you know, I think the big one is all the way up here. So let's see moving averages on daily time frame. Yeah, I think we can go all the way up to something like this up here. How much is that? That's like 20% up. A lot of stuff looks like it can do another 20% move towards the upside after breaking this 20 moving average on the daily time frame. So a lot of stuff is breaking right now 20 moving average, and after that, like a lot of stuff can do like 15-20 move towards the upside. So you know, maybe, just maybe during the weekend, you know, maybe on Monday, you know, so stuff is gonna pump, man. Maybe we're gonna pump it because it's, you know, it's weekend. Who knows? I buy the top on Fantom. Nice. That's why you're panicking. I get that. You FOMO'd in. Unfortunately, you know, fortunately for you, I don't think we are at the top yet. I don't think Fantom is at the top yet. It might have a pullback. I mean, that's normal. Pullbacks are normal. So how this gonna go? Like, it's gonna go like this. It's just gonna, you know, do something like this. It's gonna just pump and go. Like, nobody knows how it actually is gonna go. Maybe some kind of pullback is gonna need, but it is bullish overall, you know. So one looking to roll or still up. One is good, guys. I don't know why one is, but one is good. You can see the trend line. I drew on trend line. That's around 20 moving average. So as long as it's, you know, bouncing on 20 moving average towards the upside, it looks nice. Let's see here what I want to see. There is no divergence between these, so there is a little bit of divergence up here. The momentum is going a little bit down. It's not actually that. This is the 4 hourly. It's going towards the upside. It looks nice. It is breaking everything. It's right now hitting the resistance here at 50 moving average. This is the yellow line. The yellow line, this is already broken. This got crashed like cream, like whatever, you know. How much did it do right now? 66% already since the bottom down here when everything started going. Some you know, most coins did like 20-30%. This thing did like 60%, guys. 60%, 60+%. And right now it's, you know, you see this 50 moving average is just like, you know, hovering. This is also very good. You see this big ring candle, and then you got this moved up here, and then it just kind of hugging the resistance. So I think if it breaks the 50 today, I think it's just gonna continue pumping tomorrow, because this is so bullish, guys. Guys, pro tip right now, not financial advice, of course. One is bullish. One is bullish. That's what he said. Just hold Fantom. Do you ever get disappointed or discouraged from the constant instability? Yeah, of course, every time. Every single day. And you know, I have it a lot worse than you guys. You know, you watch just one coin, you know, and you know, sometimes you have a lot of hopium when I have no hopium at all, because I see, you know, I see bearish trends. I see, you know, thing gonna go south, and I start to worry. I start, you know, getting panic attacks already while you're out dancing and having fun. So I'm having a lot worse time looking at charts than you guys. But yeah, I do get both disappointment and all of that. That's why I like, you know, that's why I like crypto, because it's always, something is always happening. But Harmony One definitely looks nice, man. Harmony One definitely looks nice. There are a couple other coins like LUNA, Matic, AVAX looks nice. XRP looks very nice. Herbar also looks very nice, I think. Yeah, Herbar also looks very nice. There are so many coins that look fine. Salim is in the chat. Tila, I see dead coins. See 5-minute chart. You're not liquidated yet, man. You're not liquidated yet. Joke. The only way you're gonna get laid is if you crawl up the chicken's butt and wait. Oh, laid. Where did you find all these good coins, man? Yeah. Or did I? It takes me a couple of seconds, but you know, I get to the point. Can you take a look at Link BTC? It looks like bottom out. Why do you want to look at a versus BTC? Link BTC. Are you staking BTC? This looks like consolidation. You know, just right off the bat, this looks like consolidation phase up here. Maybe, I don't know if I'm gonna draw it like this. I'm gonna draw it like this up here. What do you guys think? I think I maybe should draw it up like this, because it is, you know, kind of climbing towards the upside. It's been, you know, winning. This thing has been, sorry, oh, that was 5-minute chart. Forget about 5-minute chart, man. Forget about 5-minute chart. Let's go back to the little bit big chart. This is a daily chart. So it's been losing out against Bitcoin for a long time, you know, since May up here, even longer before that. Since August, it's been losing against Bitcoin. Do we have anything that indicates that this is not gonna continue losing as Bitcoin? Nothing yet up here. Maybe it's just too big, right? Maybe just too big. Maybe some kind of falling wedge up here. So maybe eventually it will, you know, gain on Bitcoin. Maybe it's some kind of bottom. So right now it is time for altcoins, you know, to pump and get out towards the upside and win against Bitcoin. Maybe that's the thing, man. But I never do against BTC, because, you know, I'm not staking BTC. I'm staking dollarinos, you know, the fiat, the thing that you can use to buy stuff. News in CoinMarketCap. Ex-Presidente Trump says crypto will explode in 2022. Get ready to order your Lambo. Ooh, he knows inside information. We gotta check the CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap. No, Cointelegraph. It was Cointelegraph or is CoinMarketCap? News in CoinMarketCap. Does CoinMarketCap have news? I don't think it has news. Cryptocurrency market. Does it have news? Where is image of Trump? Learn products, exchange cryptocurrencies, global spotlight, historical recent exchanges, NFTs portfolio. There is no news, man. There is no news. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. Thank you for the updates. It's ABCDEFGHI KLONP. You're welcome. Hodl on fam. Hodl on fam. Like this video. Sorry, didn't mean to yell, or did I? Full bags of link here for 19. Ooh, that's low, man. Link at 19, that's low. Link at 19. Where's link? Link. If I can find link. I had it somewhere here. I don't know. There is link. Oh, link is 20 now. Oh, man. So you load it up here. Okay, that's nice. 19. Okay, so you just FOMO'd in then. Yeah, I mean, everything is at the bottom, guys. Everything is at the bottom, so you know everything depends whether Bitcoin is gonna prevail. If Bitcoin prevails, everything prevails. If Bitcoin fails, everything fails. You understand that, right? You understand that we are very excited about Bitcoin and not about else. Lower lows up here, higher highs up here. You know, some kind of spending stuff up here happening over here. So you're gonna see how this actually plays out. What do you think about DeFi Kingdoms? Jewel 1. DeFi Kingdoms. Never heard about DeFi Kingdoms. CoinMarketCap sold USDT for $2 million last week. Vechain, man. We checked out Vechain, man. You can go check it out. Just go. What about Matt? Matt's also looking good. Matt is also one of these coins that are right now 8% up. Let's go to the daily time frame on Matt. But Matt hit resistance up here, so I'm not quite sure whether he's gonna you know, break the resistance right now. I think some other coins are gonna come in. So I think, for example, Luna, Matic. I'm not quite sure about you know, AVEX is gonna stop here or is gonna have a pullback. So I think Matic, AVEX, and Luna has to have some kind of pullback down here. That goes for Matic as well. Consolidation, you know, some kind of consolidation waiting phase up here, you know, before it gets up, because it's a little bit extended, I think. It just did 2 days or something like 26%. That's not actually that much for 2 days, but you know. But yeah, it is in some kind of big rising wedge up here. And now you might say, oh man, it's a rising wedge, we're gonna drop down, we're gonna die. No, you're not gonna die, man. You're not gonna die. This happens in bear markets. In bull markets, you have rising wedges, you break up and you go parabolic. That's what happens in bull markets. That's why in bull markets we love rising wedges. Why do we love rising wedges in bull markets? Parabolas. That's how parabolic moves happens, man. You wanna break this resistance towards the upside, and once you do that, you get to go into parabolic move. That's why we like Cardano. Ooh, Cardano, man. Cardano is gonna be big times. Guys, I want to show you something. I will show you a video today. I saw a video today. YouTube, Ivan on tech. And he recommends 3 coins, guys. Ivan, if you do not follow this guy,
Ladies and gentlemen, how are you feeling? How are you doing? I hope you're energetic, ready for another market update. If you are, smash the like as soon as possible. Comment something in the description, in the comment section below. Comment what you're drinking. You know, in the past we had always.
Yeah, what you're drinking, guys. That's it. If you're not following this guy, go to his channel right now, Ivan on Tech,
please,
and subscribe to his channel. This is one guy you wanna follow. This is one guy you wanna hear what's he's saying. Anyways, he has this big video up here, and around 9-minute mark up here. He talks about 3 coins.
That's number 1. A chance to shine if Bitcoin does not.
He talks about 3 coins. He mentions 3 coins that he thinks are good. So let's see what kind of coins. Who is that guy? This guy, Ivan Tech, he was doing daily live streams every single morning, 8 a.m. Central European. No, 8 a.m. on the dollar. No, not on the dollar. 8 a.m. like an atomic clock. He comes to you with a black coffee every single day during 2018, 2019 bear market and stuff like that. He was the guy that was doing the daily live streams every single morning. Everybody was sitting, you know, because he's a programmer, so he knows how to program he knows how everything works. So right now he stopped doing live streams. Sorry, he stopped making, you know, Bitcoin videos and stuff like that. He's right now focusing on his company. I forgot what the company is called. Morales. He started right now doing Morales, but this guy is so you know, he's full of gems. He is really smart when it comes to programming. He knows how, you know, crypto works. He was doing these educational streams all the time, explaining you know, how stuff works from the, you know, programmer's perspective. And he also knows, you know, he's been in this for a long time, so he also knows how, you know, the euphoria and stuff like that happens. So one of the first signs I got that we might be entering soon the bear market, and I could not believe it, is because this guy stopped doing videos somewhere around here, guys. He stopped doing videos around January up here. He stopped doing videos, and he made a video and said, guys, this is how you take the profit. He made the video telling people how to make profit down here. When everybody was thinking, hey man, we're gonna go, you know, to 200,000, he was telling people, guys, maybe you should be thinking about how to make, you know, maybe you should be thinking how to make how to take profits, right? So he was telling people down here. So, and not only that, he stopped doing live streams down here. He said, guys, I'm gonna take a break, I'm gonna, you know, focus on my company, you know, and stuff like that. And to me it was like, dude, what the you know, you have been doing live streams every single day for like a couple of years now, and you know, suddenly you stop doing it at the, you know, the biggest euphoria phase, you know. So that was a big, you know, no sign for me when he stopped doing the live streams. Anyways, let's see what he says about 3 coins that he thinks are gonna perform very well.
And destroy the situation for all of us. That's number 1. Then also big congrats, financial advice, but if anything, looking at the market, looking at what has been pumping like Terra, XRP, Solana, I mean, looking double digit at least, and then we have high double digit like Terra, 49%, Avalanche 38%, and then you see something like Cardano, 5% in the past week. What is this? Or Polkadot, the same performance like as Cardano. So will they come back? I'm quite certain that the next few days they will get a chance to shine if Bitcoin does not puke and destroy the situation for all of us. So that's number 1. Then also big congrats to my good friend Crypto, Chris from Crypto, who launched. Look at the top 10. Which coins are?
I think it's here. I don't know
what. It is Binance. You think Binance is gonna stay like this for long now? It's not gonna stay. And Polkadot.
Yeah, those 3 coins.
No, it's not gonna stay like this. So Polkadot, Cardano, Binance. Keep an eye on those. Not financial advice, but
Polkadot, Cardano, Binance. Now, when it comes to Cardano, guys, I said couple of latest videos on Cardano that I made. I mentioned that Cardano is very very low. If Cardano, see here, it is pumping already a little bit. If Cardano falls through this line down here, not only will it, you know, fall through a very important support line, but look down here, man. This is on the weekly time frame. You are at the bottom down here. If you fall through this over here, you are in some kind of capitulation area. So, you know, if Cardano falls through this support down here, it is a capitulation area. So from the technical perspective, I think Cardano needs to pump big time. Now when it comes to Binance coin is I said in Patreon chat, it's always one of these coins that's always ahead of other ones. You know, Binance coin is, you know, backed by Binance, big money is backing it, you know, it's always being used. So Binance, you know, definitely worth a look, you know. And Polkadot, well, he, you know, this guy says, you know, Polkadot is good, so I'm gonna believe the guy, you know. So he mentioned these 3 coins, but do check all of his videos, man. This guy is so knowledgeable.
Please take a seat.
This guy is so knowledgeable, is so good, you know, in anything he talks about and stuff like that. So do check him out, man. He been doing these live streams 1 year ago. See, good morning, crypto. Every single day.
We're live, guys. Welcome to another episode of Good Morning Crypto.
Yeah, unfortunately, stop doing that. But you know, Captain, I think you would have liked that because he was, you know, on the dollar every single time. Tila, did you know the Captain and I were from the same area? I'd be one thing if you were both from the big place like New York City, more of a smaller city. Kind of strange. That's nice. That's nice that you two found each other, you know, on my channel. Yeah, small world. Yeah, people think it's a big world. No, it's not. It's small. Wait half a year for 100% on Air, not for me. Yeah, that might be. But you know, Cardano has been, you know, just dropping down like a brick. So you know, something is gonna happen soon. Was he working on Wall Street before doing this? Now it wasn't. Lol, have you heard about Justin going to space? Not really, no. VPad mentions make me want to suddenly press X button in top right of the screen. VPad, I don't know what VPad is. Yep, I'm gonna watch his videos. Thanks for recommending him. Yeah, he's my go-to guy when it comes to, you know, anything that has to do with, you know, tech and stuff like that. But made 33x on VPad. Nice. So, by the way, where were we? So yeah, Cardano looks good. BNB, of course, the coin that he's shilling. You've seen what kind of moves BNB did up here. It just exploded towards the upside, like extremely insane move. And he is also shilling Polkadot. Let's check Polkadot because I haven't seen. I haven't watched Polkadot in a while. Let's see up here. It doesn't have. I've been doing actually Polkadot videos, you know, since down here. This was, you know, some kind of you know, cup and handle pattern up here that broke out. I remember, you know, this cup and handle pattern over here talking about this gonna break out. It broke out. It went, you know, big time towards upside, like everything else. Dropped down, slowly climbed, made a higher high. It is actually following Bitcoin quite nicely. 4.4% towards the upside up here. This one was a lot bigger. I think this was something like 10. This was 10x, guys. This was up here 10x, give or take 10x. Anytime, this is a pro tip, guys. Anytime something does 10x, don't think it's gonna do 10x immediately. Anything that does 10x, you have to take the profits, guys. You don't be too greedy. I mean, if it's some kind of shitcoin that does 10x, you know, you can go like, but big projects, everybody knows about it. 10x, you take profit. Look for example Shiba. Shiba did 10x, profits taking, right? Anything that does 10x, guys, take profits. I made 0 on VPad. So let's check what's happening here on Polkadot right now. Polkadot has of course this big line, just like Bitcoin has, give or take, right? That's right here at 200 moving average. So 200 moving average right now, coming up to that. How much was this move towards the upside? 20%, like everything else right now, doing just this nice move from the bottom down here. Did it break the trend up here? Yeah, it's still not technically not broken this trend up here. So I think it just might break two trends at the same time tomorrow. If it pops, of course, if it pops tomorrow, it just might break two trends at the same time. So guys, you know that we have been looking for this breakout down here. We've been looking for this breakout over here, this breakout right now. Let's see if this actually broke out. Did he? Yeah, maybe that's why we're not pumping. Maybe that's the thing. Maybe that's the thing. Big, but it's only two jellies. This is 3 jellies. 2 jellies. Doesn't matter. But you know, with this pump over here, there is a lot of bullishness coming in. But you know, we are still not pumping like crazy, right? It's only after breaking this trend line down here, breaking this trend line, that we're gonna pump like crazy. I think not only Bitcoin, but I think everything. After that, of course, it's 53. That's very important level. I have a video about that. Of course, we need to break that to the upside. But you know, when we get to that point, we get to that point. Right now, this looks like it's just like, you know, consolidating here before the breakout. It looks like, so maybe. Oh, look at that! Look at Jules' entry point is actually going up. How much is that? How much is that? 0.26%. How much is 0.26 times 125? He's up 30% already. Congratulations, Jules. 30% up. How likely is it to go same path as BNB? I mean, they deliver the same services. Not that likely. Like, who uses Crow and who uses Binance? Binance is so huge, so big. I think KuCoin has a better chance to become a next Binance than Crow, because KuCoin is, you know, meme coin or shit coin, you know, paradise. And right now, you know, KuCoin has better chance to become next Binance. And KuCoin uses the same, you know, KuCoin. Let's check out KuCoin, by the way, guys. KuCoin token. It's doing quite well. I think it was doing quite well previously. I don't know how it's doing right now. Yeah, it's doing quite well up here. It is going towards the upside. So right now it's around 20 up here. What it's gonna do of you know, whether you know KuCoin is gonna pull Binance, I don't think it's gonna pull Binance, because maybe it's already pulled Binance up here. But this was from, yeah, this was just normal run up here. 3000% towards the upside. It was 0.7. I mean, if you bought down here, but I think KuCoin has more to go, guys. I think KuCoin is also one of these coins that I think is very good. I don't believe that much in Crow. Crow is you know, I think it got listed and stuff like that, and it pumped, you know, big time towards the upside, and you know, it had a blow off top up here, so everybody's still talking about it, but it is bleeding towards downside, and this was some kind of move down here from bottom to top. It's like 5-6x or something like that, so you know, people are taking profits. So I don't think this downtrend is finished yet. It might maybe pump a little bit up here, but I think it's gonna continue bleeding towards downside. Let's see here on the weekly time frame how this actually looks on the weekly time frame. Maybe it's just starting to climb. Maybe it's just starting, because on the weekly time frame, I mean, it did go something like for 94 up here, but you know, there is no double top or anything like that. So definitely it can you know, do another move towards the upside. Can it do it right now? I don't want to speculate on it, you know. I don't like anything that does, you know, 500% moves and then, you know, FOMO into that. Not my thing. Crow, the power of marketing. Yeah, but how much are they marketing? Like, I think KuCoin has better marketing because everybody's talking about KuCoin. The only thing I hear something about a Crow is, you know, hey man, a Crow is going up. Hey man, Crow is getting listed. When I hear something about KuCoin, it's like, hey man, did you hear this, you know, thing on the KuCoin? Hey man, did you see this coin on KuCoin? You know, so I think KuCoin is kind of, yeah, I think KuCoin is more. Has more options. I think it's I think KuCoin has more let's see market cap KuCoin. I think it's more upside than Crow. KuCoin token, let's see here. So the market cap is only 1.7 billion and Crow is 13 billion. So yeah, so at least 13x just to get to the Crow, and then plus double that, because I think it's better than I think KuCoin is better than Crow. So I think it should surpass Crow. I think it should surpass Crow. My RNDR finally started running again. I don't RNDR. Binance, the power of utility. Yeah, Binance has everything, man. Crow has a massive NFT market. Yeah, I'm not really into Myanmar, so I'm not quite sure what they have. Cross the NB establishment net after it. Look up Staples Centers, Los Angeles cover. You know, guys, ever since, you know, since Shiba started doing it, right now Floki is doing it. Right now, every crypto is right now, you know, sponsoring everything, you know, around the world. All of these, you know, sporting events, you know, stuff like that is getting sponsored. So I think that's good. I think that's good for crypto, and you know, the money, if money kicks in, you know, this is gonna be big times. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart and see how how Joule is doing. Is Joule gonna get liquidated or not right now? Let's go to like a bigger time frame, hourly time frame. How is it? Oh, it's nice hourly time. It's closing in 3 minutes, and we are still above the 20 moving. This is nice actually. It managed to actually pull back up here. Nice. Still didn't get liquidated. Still got this liquidation down here. Some previous fan club member, I think, use Spiker give. Rise of meme coins is a sell signal. Yeah, but there is no rise of meme coins just yet. All right, let's see some coins on Dex Guru. What are Floki? Let's see Floki. Floki went down. Did it spike up again? Went up, went down, went down. It's still bleeding on the downside. Safe moon. We are gonna make it. Yeah, we all gonna make it. That's the spirit. Well, F me. I thought I bought the bottom, man, but you know, I am the bottom. Check out Sparkus. But on a feed now it's 35. Now you see any hope in that one. Net. What's net? Ned, I don't know what Ned is. Nado. Spartacus. Spartacus types. I don't see any hope in it, unfortunately. Here's to my downfall. Zard, 35. You the man. Thanks for 35 bucks, man. I appreciate the money. Spartacus, yeah, I don't see it. I don't see it. I mean, it's just bleeding down below the supports right now. It's still bleeding on the downside, 4-hour time frame. It's still bleeding below the, you know, it just doesn't seem that this is gonna, it seems like a big sell, you know, up here it was some kind of chance, and then, you know, start breaking the support down here, then broke the support down here. and right now even you know, it's also sold down here. If it goes even further down, it looks so bad, man. There is no hype, there's nothing up around this. Is Ron here? The central plan always, you know, posts Ron when somebody donates. What do you think about Dream? Don't ask me about these coins that I don't know about. Somebody in the Patreon chat asked me about Dusk network, and Dusk is actually, you know, pumping. It's on Binance. I don't know what this is, but I wouldn't say it's pumping, but it does, you know, in 3 days it did something like, you know, 74%. So the volatility is pretty high for this one, towards the upside, and it is breaking this trend line up here. Maybe the trend line is a little bit off, I think. Maybe something like this is more legit, give or take. Give or take. You know, sometimes these lines are not always the best, the prettiest lines, but you know, we take what we get. Maybe something like this. You can see up here goes towards the upside. Still 4 days to this to close above it. Looks nice. I don't know. Did Michael Altcoin leave? Yeah, I think Michael did the job. He spammed a couple of, you know, links, and that's his job. He comes in, he spams the links, you know, and it goes. What do you know about DePradar? DePradar is the site. DePradar. I've been using, you know, before when we had these Ponzi coins in 2018, you know, we've been using DePradar to check out which Ponzi coins is the next, right? Radar NFTs. So you can see here, you know, X Infinity, CryptoPunks, Mutant Ape, like how much volume they have. Traders, what's that? 40,000, 90,000. How many? So MBA Top Shot Flow. I don't know, at Ronnie, I don't know, sales. Nothing clue what this means. Polygon. Oh, you can see Polygon, what I have, Polygon. Where is Cardano here, guys? Where is Cardano, huh? Where is Cardano? I want to press Cardano, guys. I want to press Cardano. Oh, maybe Cardano. Let's see DeFi. Where is Cardano, man? Where is Cardano? We got a Solana, Polygon, BSC, ETH, but you know, where is Cardano? You know, portfolio, maybe, you know, some portfolio stuff. No, it's not for rankings. Let's go to the rankings. Okay, where's Cardano? EOS is there. Tron, Ontology, Thunder, Steam, Hive, Flow, Near, Avalanche, Telos, Tesla, Harmony, OKEX, Solana, Ronin. The Ronin is new, color new. All of these new stuff. Depth, Immutable, Fuse, Other. Maybe it's another. Maybe it's another, guys. Maybe it's another. I don't know. It's not another. Where's Cardano, guys? Where's Cardano? Cardano only for rich people. 10 for Ron. So no Cardano. So what's this? Ronin. What's Ronin, man? Let's see here. Ronin. There is no such thing as Ronin. I'm just assuming, you know, since there is ontology, there should be Ronin. Heko. Let's see if there is Heko. There is no Heko. I don't know. I like the snow effect. It's the little things. It's the little things. Yeah. So you know, it's Christmassy time. Yeah, I had actually Christmassy music up here, but you know, we figured out it's better with, you know, the doom gloom the music. Maybe we should put some. There we go. It's Ronin wallet. Axie Infinity's wallet. Oh, okay. If you didn't hear about Quant, I think you should check it out. I did hear about Quant. You know. All of these coins, you know, guys, I'm not really into technology. You know, I'm in it for technology, so I'm not actually in it for technology, you know. When it comes to all the coins, so I hear coins. I have absolutely no clue what everything does. I don't have time to check out, to, you know, figure out EOS. That I have so much EOS still. Let's check EOS, guys. Let's check EOS, because EOS, even though it's broken out up here, it's not doing much. It was some kind of triangle up here, but people are still talking about EOS. I don't know why. What's gonna happen? But you know, it is a crap coin. But you know, if something comes out, it might pump. But I don't see right now, you know, any kind of bullishness to EOS. Well, no wonder you won't find Cardano. I still don't even have a working DEX on the chain. SafeMoon got DEX, man. So yeah, I'm really not a big fan of Cardano, to be honest with you, and we've been talking about Cardano since like 2018 and how this is, you know, some kind of, you know, academics project. And you know, people in academia, when they try to build stuff, you know, they have no goals, you know. They're like, we just have to build better and better, and they have no like, okay, we gotta do this, and then it's gonna be finished, you know, or we're gonna do this thing, we're gonna release, then I'm gonna see how people are reacting, I'm gonna improve it, you know. Hodgkins, like people already said, like Hodgkinson, you know, Charles, he doesn't think like a CEO, you know, like CEO, you have to make a product, you know. Everybody knows the product is gonna be a little bit off, you know, but you're gonna make a product, but you know, and I understand that, you know, it got to be perfect, you know. There is no such thing as perfection. When it comes to perfections comes from iterations of previous work. That's what perfection is. You cannot make anything perfect on the first try. So you gotta make something, you gotta release that, you gotta, you know, see how people are interacting with it, you have to, you know, figure out where your error is, and then you make a second version of that, you know, and then you know build up, you know, and at the end you got perfection, but you don't have perfection on the first try. That's impossible. And I think that's what, you know, Charles is trying to do, you know, perfection of something, you know. It is gonna be the best thing ever when it's finished, but when it's gonna be finished, man, look like Polka and Matic, you know, we never heard about this project before, you know, this bull market stuff. Like maybe somebody did hear about the projects, but not as much as Cardano. Cardano has been around forever, like, and they already and you know, they made the change, they release things, they're making money, they're going up, they're you know, they're not making chains that are gonna be here for in next 10 years. They're making chains that work now. They are filling some kind of a room, you know, where it you know, where they can thrive. But Cardano is not doing that. He's like, no, we gotta make something that's gonna, you know, be sustainable over long periods of time. No, you make something that works now, that's usable now, and then when time change, we change. Second most active chain with zero downtime. Eyes on the prize, people. BTC red candle, red candle, what you talking about? Red candle, nah, man, 0.9%. What? Let's see, red candle daily, 4-hourly time frame. Let's see on this chart up here, red candle. Ooh, red candle, nah, not big trend. You know, we had just 1-hourly close. That's why we're having this red candle. This red candle really doesn't matter. This, you can see here, guys, you can see here, this red candle doesn't matter, it needs to close. You can see this previous closing, we pulled back above the 20 and 10 moving average up here. So still all good up here, guys. If this closes down here, then we can talk about, you know, some kind of movement. But this is also the last candle on the 1-hourly before the daily close. So it'd be nice to, you know, pump on this candle, but you know, sometimes it starts down and continues towards the upside. We're gonna see how this actually plays out. This looks to me it's like some kind of double bottom, so maybe it's gonna just like this and continue towards the upside. I don't know. We're gonna see. A little bit hard to figure this out right now. Let's see up here on Binance. Jewel is still not liquidated. Congrats, Jewel, you are keeping it in there. It was the first faulty attempt. Yeah, but look at it, man. It was, you know what the people are saying about Ethereum? Oh, it was faulty attempt. Oh, it was so bad when it came out. But you know, look at Ethereum right now. Everything is built on Ethereum. It's still thriving. It's still going up. It's still one of the most bullish coins. It might be crap, sure, but they're improving. They're making it. They can even fork it, and they, you know, other people are taking the code and making something better of it, right? But you know, you make something and then you work on that, and when it doesn't work anymore, then you take all of the lessons you learned and you make a new product that's better, right? But you're gonna make something, you know. You cannot go like 10 years and just building and building and building, because you have to understand, Cardano right now, right? Maybe for a year ago they didn't know about NFTs. That's gonna be this big time, and they had their roadmap. We're gonna build this, and then we're gonna be finished. But right now, after 1 year time, a lot of new technology has come out. So now, right now, Cardano need to put in all of this new technology and need to make new roadmap to build everything of this other stuff inside the Cardano. And by the time they've done that, it's gone another year, and you know, new technology has come around, and now they need to build that into the, you know, Cardano. So it's a never-ending project. I do hope that Cardano does, in fact, you know, and you saw what Ivan on text said. Cardano goes towards the upside. Maybe as soon as they release the project and people start building and there is hype on Cardano again. By the way, when is Cardano gonna release? When is Cardano releasing? It can facilitate pretty traditional other Cardano was founded by 2000. It was founded in 2015. 6 years in stable released 13th May 2021. Initial release 2017. 8 more. Background tech canal speak history. So is it released or is this gonna be released? Cardano roadmap. Okay. Smart on scaling governance. Okay, blah blah blah. I heard about this, but you know, when is it? Okay, governance. I don't get it. Just give me clear roadmap, man. What needs to be done? How far did you go? Status update, yeah, Dula. They have some of these weird lines. Wallet packages. They are trying to do too much. It's gonna be too big, it's gonna be faulty, and you know, it's gonna get hacked, and then you know, it's gonna dump. Do you think BTC will go down to 46, 47 again? 46, 47. It can go to 47.5. I don't know about 46, but it can go to 47.5. At least that's what I was thinking down here. For 47.6 or something like that, 47.5. It can go all the way down here and still be bullish. It can go down here and still be bullish, definitely. It released Musil swap is out. I love Tila, but you are not bullish enough on that. Yeah, I am. You heard what Ivan on Tech said. He said it's a beast. He said it's gonna go up. I believe Cardano is gonna pump. But you know, when it comes to, you know, I don't know about technology, you know, stuff like that. What Cardano is, what's gonna do, what's not gonna do. All I know, it's been around for a long time. It doesn't have a working product, you know. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, you know. But maybe it's good it doesn't have a working product, because then it can, you know, it can live on the hype. It can pump more without product. Cardano long term is a win. Yeah, probably. I mean, it's been here since 2015, and you know, Charles is pretty, you know, set in his ways when it comes to Cardano. So yeah, definitely, I think Cardano is gonna be here in 5 years. So you know, a lot of these coins are not gonna be here in 5 years, because they had, you know, they figure out something small, and they, you know, build something, and you know, it pumps a little bit, and that's that. Cardano is a long-term project, and it's gonna be here for a while. Cardano is definitely gonna be here for a while, and it's not going anywhere. That's the only good thing about Cardano. Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're not going anywhere, guys. Cardano is not going anywhere. Where is my Cardano? There is Cardano up here. Cardano, yeah, it's not going anywhere, man. It's been here for, you know, it's been, you know, this is 2017 when they released the token. It's been, they've been, you know, doing it in 2015. It's been some kind of bottom. It's climbing towards the upside. It's $1 now. In 5 years time or something like that, like it might be like $100 or something like that. Who knows? But yeah, it's not going anywhere. I'm waiting on Joe Dex to explode on AVAX ecosystem. Tila, Cardano is 3rd gen for a reason, and it does have 2 stablecoins coming, DEXs and VMT, and games coming next year. As my plums, sure, man. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying it's not. Tila, since you're a huge fan of Ivan Tech, do you know his pump music? His pump music. Yeah, I mean, he had a couple of songs though. He had a couple of songs. So. Pump. Bitcoin will be pump.
Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be Bitcoin will be Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be Bitcoin will be Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be Bitcoin will be Bitcoin will be pump. 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 Bitcoin will be Bitcoin will be Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be Bitcoin will be Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be Bitcoin will be Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin
Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna end the show right there when Bitcoin is dumping. Oh man. Jewel is getting close to liquidation, man. Jewel is getting close to liquidation. Will it? Maybe. I mean, this 50 moving average here, down here. We're gonna see how that works. Mr. Beast doing there. What's Mr. Beast doing there? I don't know, man. He probably owns some kind of Bitcoin as well. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like button on the way out. I just thought I'd do a quick stream, some kind of altcoin and stuff like that. Say hi to you guys. By the way, if you haven't already, check out the new channel and, you know, subscribe to the channel. Trying to pump the 1,000 subs on that, you know. After that, I'll stop shilling it. I have to press squats. The Bitcoin will pump tens. Anyways, guys, later. I still think the Bitcoin is it might have a pullback to the downside, but I think eventually it will, you know, it will break this because it's a major resistance up here, so it needs to break that towards the upside. Thanks for watching, guys. See you around. Bye bye.